people, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be reacting to Angry Grandma, requested by somebody on the comment section. I appreciate it. Shout outs to you, bro. We're gonna check this out. Dirty Loud Noises prank on sleeping grandma. Like, subscribe, turn notifications on. If you got any other suggestions, let me know in the comment section down below. I also got a Discord you want to join, so in the description or comment section down below. Let's get straight to it.
Hey, what's up, you guys? Real quick before the video starts, I just wanted to let you guys know to go check out our Facebook page and our Twitter page. Link is in the description for both of those. We post the most lit shit on there, don't we, Granny?
Okay.
Fucking ain't well about it.
So yeah, go check it out, give us a follow and a like, and yeah, I love you guys. I love you, Granny.
I love my cigarettes.
Well, what about me?
Fuck you.
What? What's going on here? Is she sleeping? That's grandma? Hey. She looks relaxed too. Whoa. Hold up, bro. What is this? Y'all about to be trolling me or something? Because I can't have those noises going on because I got people over here, boy. They're going to think that I'm watching something else. Angry Grandma. Hey. Her face. She's like, what is going on?
What the fuck was that?
5 minutes later.
Hey. What? Yo, what is going on? No.
Jake! Get your ass in here now! You motherfucker! Jake!
Bro.
I'm telling you, I'm gonna beat the living hell out of you! God damn you!
Okay, bro, that's enough. Stop with that, bro. That's disgusting.
Get your ass in here now! Can't even take a fucking nap around here or nothing else. That he's all time of doing something. Well, I'm gonna show him how to do something. This damn time, I'm gonna find me something, and Jake!
Sounds disgusting, dude.
Motherfucking hell out of you. Put that goddamn shit on my damn TV, and I'm trying to sleep. Can't even fucking sleep around here. Fucking shit. I'll beat the living hell out of you.
What are you even
I don't listen to that shit, and I don't watch that fucking shit. So you keep your fucking ass out of my room.
Granny, I have not a clue on what you're talking
I'll
about.
put a fucking lock on my fucking door.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Get in here and you can hear the flapping jack-off sounds.
Granny, I don't even hear anything.
Yeah, you probably turned it up, you motherfucker. You know how to do it without coming in the fucking room. You know how to get shit going.
Granny,
I'm telling you right.
Granny, I love you, but you're going senile. Oh!
Get out of the fucking room. I'll beat his fucking brains out.
You lost it. You lost your mind.
I'll beat the hell out of you. You open that door, you motherfucker. You open that door and I'm gonna crack you with a handle. I ain't gonna hit you with the other end. I'm gonna hit you with a fucking handle. I'm gonna lay that damn big noggin of yours wide open. So don't you dare stick your head in this motherfucking room.
20 minutes later.
Hey. She well rested. Look at that. Okay, Grandma, I see you. Try to enjoy that sleep. Two girls in one cup. No, the beat goes hard.
Oh, fuck no.
Where's she watching?
Jake, get your damn life in here. Jake! Jake! Oh, fuck no. Oh, hell. Oh, fuck. Oh, hell no. Shit, no. Jake! Get your fucking eyes in here. Get in here.
What?
Look at that shit on my TV you got on my fucking TV.
What is this?
It was girls eating shit. Kissing and eating shit like ice cream. I'm sitting here gagging my fucking eyes off. You get that shit off and you get it off now.
I don't even see
Oh.
anything on your TV.
I'm
Quit it!
Get the
Ouch!
off. Get in here and get it off. Fucking eating shit ice cream combs and oh motherfucker. And then they're sick. Oh God, they're sick. Stupid
just imagine
fucking
that-
bitches.
I never watched the video,
Ooh,
and
that's
I don't want to
wrong with
watch it. Just by the by
Eating
what Grandma's
shit
saying.
like a popsicle. Oh fuck. Look
Whoa.
that turd on that one. Oh my God. Ugh. Shit. Sick.
What's wrong with you?
You put that fucking shit and I can't get that damn image out of my head. I still see them on there eating that shit. Get it off the fucking TV.
It is off your TV. What are you on about?
You keep doing that now, damn shit. You keep doing it and keep doing it. And one of these days, I'll beat the fuck all out of you.
I don't even know what you're talking about. I'm not even hearing anything. Maybe the house is haunted or something. I
I'm
don't.
putting a fucking lock on my door and I'll show you how fucking haunted it is. Your ass won't be coming in here putting shit on my TV.
So who's that
You need
supposed
a
to be
hug.
in the background?
You need a.
Is that his like
You have to be like-
grandson?
Ah, quit! Ouch!
Get the fuck out of my room.
What are you doing?
I'm going out and have me a fucking cigarette. I can say all that damn.
Hey,
I thought you were taking a nap.
Taking a nap, hell. I can't take a damn nap around here for your fucking ice. Get out of my room.
Fine!
Be gone when I get back.
well, where's she going? She has like a balcony type, or is she going like
Do you want some ice cream?
outside?
Fuck you.
Why?
Get the hell out of my room. I told you that. Get the hell out.
Hey, she playing with her iPad. Cake farts. How can she hear that noise?
You know what I like the most? Cake farts.
Oh, hell no.
Get this done.
Oh, shit.
How do I like this?
Hey, bitch ain't got no damn drawers on.
I think I'm
Stupid.
nice and comfortable for this.
Oh, hell. Comfortable minds. Stupid
What do you
bitch.
say when we do it?
Oh, fuck no.
What is she watching?
Hell no. Jake! Jake!
Oh,
Push
Jake!
it in here.
Shitting in this cake!
What?
Jake!
That's a nasty ass
Look,
female,
look.
bro.
Shit off my TV. Get it off now!
I turned it off.
I'm putting a fucking lock on my door.
What was she
And your
doing?
Eyes like
What was she
coming
doing?
back in.
What was she?
That stupid bitch was farting on a cake. She's grabbing it up her coochie and her ice hole too.
That looked like a perfectly good cake too.
It probably fucking was, but who in the fuck climbs up and straddles their ice on a damn cake? Ain't something fucking wrong with
Yo, I feel bad for her, man. She's literally getting traumatized with all these videos this dude is putting up for her, dude. Bro, what? I'm not interested in watching any of that, to be honest.
What was she doing?
Turn that motherfucker off, cause you watched it enough. You know what she was doing. I don't have to explain shit to you. That's why you put it on my fucking TV.
Granny, please just tell me what she was doing to the cake.
No.
She was fucking shitting on it. Now turn it off. Turn that
Alright.
shit off.
I turned it off.
I'm glad that he's
I
not
won't do
showing
no more
this.
to you.
Cause
But for
no,
real, what was she doing to the cake?
he's about to get his ass whooped.
What she was doing.
What was she doing? Oh!
That's what she's doing to the fucking cake.
Granny!
What?
Dad! For real though, all joking aside, I do really sincerely apologize. But for real though, what was she doing to the cake?
She was doing to the cake what I'm gonna do on your bed later, motherfucker. I'm gonna shit all over it. What?
What was she saying at the beginning of that video?
Oh, you know what I like most? Cake farts. Yeah, cake farts my ass.
Hey, I think it's time for me to tell you that's actually my girlfriend I've been seeing. That's what she does as a 9-to-5 job.
Yeah, it's cake farts.
Yeah, she goes to each store, buys a new cake.
What?
She toots on
I
it.
guess you provide the icing for them.
Yeah, I give her. She gives me the icing. Anytime I need
Oh.
icing for my cakes, she just
Well, I'll tell you
poops it
what.
out.
Tell you what. Don't bring the bitch around here.
Why?
Because she'll have something to dig out of her ice and it'll be my damn foot. Don't you never bring some bitch like that around me.
Why? She
You
has
better not bring her home.
she has a good job. She has a.
I don't give a fuck if she's got a good job showing her ice and everything else.
Later that same evening.
Graham?
What? You scared the shit out of me.
Hey, before I go to bed, can I have a snack? Oh, you got Oreos!
You ain't getting them.
I can't have these Oreos?
No, hell no.
Why?
Because I want them.
Oh, you got the Lays!
Put them back.
Well, listen.
I told you no. Cause
He's
you
like,
don't
no.
mind. You don't have to ask no fucking questions.
What did I do?
Oh, you've been you ain't done nothing. You've been the best little young'un I ever seen today, motherfucker.
Alright, Granny, well, I love you.
Yeah, I love you too.
Oh! Holy shit! I'm definitely putting you in an old folks home now!
Get out of my fucking room.
Whoa.
Hey, it's Kelsey. What's up? I've got some major gas, as you can already hear.
What?
I've got this lovely, beautiful strawberry cream pie here that I think I'm gonna fart into. Ooh, I got one coming right now.
Oh, fuck no. Jake! Jake! Jake!
That's weird, bro.
Ooh, feels nice on my butt.
Her face.
Jake! Jake! Damn. I'm gonna kill him.
I guess I have to sit down a little
I'm
harder.
gonna
Ooh,
kill him.
strawberry.
Motherfucker, you watch a tape.
Okay. This one.
You open that door, you motherfucker, and I'm gonna knock your brains out. Jake!
Let's see if I can get a part out in this pie.
Jake! You better get the fuck in here.
Right off.
She don't got no remote next to her?
There we
Oh,
go.
son of a bitch.
Yeah. Taste this pie farts out of my butthole.
Son of a bitch. If he, I'm gonna kill him. Motherfucker, I'm gonna kill him.
Granny, what's wrong?
You are so fucking
Ew! What are you watching? Oh!
motherfucker. Get your fucking eyes in here and you turn this shit off.
Ew!
Turn it off!
She's pooping!
This might be the most fun part because I've ever done.
She says she thinks this is the
Get your
most...
fucking eyes in here and you turn that son of a bitch off. Now! I'll do it. I'll turn the damn thing off. You watch. 1, 2, 3. Fuck it. I ain't watching that fucking shit.
Granny!
There ain't no fucking way.
Granny, what was going on in that video?
Oh no, don't give a shit. It was damn cake farts again and I'm not watching that shit.
I think that's gonna be it for now. Bro, what is this video? What is the son doing or grandson, dude? He has some weird fetish, bro. I don't know what's going up through his mind. Like, subscribe, turn notifications on. If you got any other suggestions, let me know in the comment section down below. I also got a Discord you want to join, so in the description or comment section down below. See you in the next one.